Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. It's Mr. TECHFOX here and welcome to another video. Today, I'm going to show you how to change your Facebook page name in 2025. This guide works on both desktop and mobile devices. If this helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So first of all, open the Facebook app. So here I'm going to open my Facebook app. And then you will see an interface like this. Normally click on your profile icon. And then click on this arrow icon, and here you will see the list of all of your pages. Normally choose the page that you want to use for changing the name. For example, I'm choosing this one. And now click again on this profile icon. And then scroll down a bit. Choose these options, settings and privacy. Now choose again settings. And now choose page settings. And then choose name. Now you will see a box here. Normally click on it and give it a name. And finally click on this review change. And here you will see the difference of both names. Then normally click on this submit for approval. And now you have to provide your password or an OTP that's sent to your Gmail or email address. Normally you have to provide it. And then click on this continue button. And that's it. We have successfully changed our page name, and there are some problems. And that's, you must be an admin to change the page name, and Facebook may take up to 3 days to review the change, and you can only change your page name once every 7 days. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.